Welcome. In today's video tutorial we will be discussing IoT-based manhole lid detection with surveillance camera. The project design, when armed and activated, has the ability to detect illegal entry in the manhole entry point. It will notify the admin of such, by automatically calling him or her, sending a text. And the design is designed with an IoT bot that can automatically capture pictures of the entry point at the manhole and send this on Telegram. You can view the manhole entry remotely during the day and the night when the design is armed. The design is motion triggered and auto-notifies at illegal entry at manhole point. Without further ado, let us get to how this was made. We will like you to take a moment to like, subscribe and share to our channel video, as it encourages us to make even more. We will begin with the schematic The schematic or circuit diagram for this IoT-based manhole lid detection with surveillance camera is found in the description below this video. The schematic diagram in the blog post contains step-by-step explanation of the project design as well as the components used. Please ensure you read the blog post to get these details. Now, let us assemble the components together. The soldered modules are built according to the schematic diagram shown in the description link below. This simple module is the transistor drives the ESP32 cam to trigger when motion is detected. We used headers to connect one soldered modules to the other. We used a couple of screws to hold the ESP32 cam in place and wired it to meet the rest of the modules that was connected in the 3x6-inch plastic casing. In order to ensure that the bottom doesn't pull off as a result of friction with the ground, we used 4 equally sized legs to raise the bottom above the ground. Next, it is time for cleaning and tidying up the soldering and wired connections. We used some small cable tie to neatly separate and hold the running wires in an orderly fashion. the tying of the cable ties were done, use a small sized nail cutter or blade to cut off the excesses of the cable ties, leaving the arrangement very neat and tidy. Check if the arrangement hasn't affected the power performance of the design by turning it on. If the GSM module turns on and blinks once, this means we are ready to proceed to the next stage, which is the programming stage. The Arduino source code for this project design can be found in the blog post in the description below. Just go to the page, copy and paste the source code to your Arduino IDE. Once this is done, ensure that you install the ESP32 board on your Arduino IDE, select your board to be ESP32 Robber module. Set the upload speed to 115,200, frequency at 40 MHz. Once you select your port, click Upload to burn the program to the ESP32 board. Wait for the upload to be through, then you can proceed to testing and ensuring everything is working as specified in the program. Now, let us test this design. When we turn on the design by the switch by the side of its casing, we can see the GSM module blinking every second. Once it starts blinking every 3 seconds, we know it has captured network and was ready to be armed. The design once armed, it will wait for the lid to be opened. Once this is done illegally without the admin's authorization, it will trigger a call and SMS sent to the admin's phone. The admin can then open his Telegram app to see the live performance of who just entered the manhole. And that is it for us on this version. We will be back again next week. Please leave us a comment and reach out on social media if any special request. Thank you.